Have you ever unboxed a product and immediately felt something? Maybe it was the satisfying weight of a sturdy high-end box. Maybe it was the texture of premium paper, the crispness of a clean design, or the subtle shine of embossed foil lettering. Whatever it was, that feeling wasn't an accident. It was the result of carefully engineered packaging designed to shape your experience before you even touch the product inside. But how does a simple idea turn into a tangible, fully customized package? How do businesses choose the right materials, printing methods, and finishes to create something that not only protects, but enhances the brand experience? In this video, I'm going to break it all down. I'm Jason, the founder and CEO of Paking, a custom packaging manufacturer, and have been in the industry for years. From raw materials that form the foundation of paper packaging, to the intricate steps that bring a design to life, you'll see exactly what goes into making packaging that stands out, protects, and sells. Because at the end of the day, your packaging isn't just a box, it's the first impression of your brand. Let's dive in. When you pick up a beautifully designed paper box or a sleek custom bag, it's easy to overlook just how much thought and engineering goes into its creation. The process of creating a package with paper isn't as straightforward as you might think. There are countless decisions to make, from paper thickness, printing techniques, to embossing, foiling, and coatings, all of which influence the final product. And behind every well-designed package is an industry that blends art, engineering, and sustainability to create something both practical and visually striking. But before we get to the design and production process, we need to understand the foundation, what makes paper packaging so essential, and how the raw materials shape the final product. Paper has become a staple in modern product design, not just for its versatility, but also for its eco-friendly appeal. With increasing concerns about plastic waste, businesses are turning to recyclable, biodegradable, and renewable materials. But it's not just about sustainability. Paper offers a high level of customization while maintaining a professional and premium look. Whether it's rigid boxes for luxury goods, craft paper bags for retail, or eco-friendly shipping boxes, paper packaging provides a balance between cost, durability, and design flexibility. Every paper package starts with one crucial component: pulp. The two primary sources of paper pulp are virgin pulp, which is made from freshly harvested wood fibers, typically from sustainably managed forests. This type provides superior strength and smoothness, making it ideal for high-end packaging. And recycled fibers, which is created from repurposed paper materials, reducing environmental impact. While it may have a slightly rougher texture, it's a preferred choice for eco-conscious brands looking to minimize waste. The composition of the paper determines everything from how well it holds its shape to how colors and finishes appear during printing. This is why brands carefully choose between craft paper, coated paper, or corrugated board depending on the product's needs. Not all paper is created equal. Thickness, measured in GSM, grams per square meter, dictates its rigidity, printability, and durability. Lightweight paper, under 200 GSM, is commonly used for flexible packaging like paper bags or wrappers. Midweight paper, 200 to 350 GSM, is a balance of durability and flexibility, often used for foldable boxes. And then there's heavyweight board, 350 plus GSM, which is thick and rigid, perfect for premium packaging and luxury boxes. By selecting the right paper type and thickness, brands can enhance their product's perceived value, ensuring the packaging not only protects but also elevates the experience. So, cool, now that you know that packaging is more than just a box, it's an essential part of the product experience. The question then becomes, how does that experience come to life? What does it take to turn a concept into something physical, something that customers can hold, feel, and connect with? It all starts with material selection. The type of paperboard or cardboard used will define everything from durability to texture. Are you looking for a rigid, premium box that exudes luxury? Or do you need a lightweight, flexible design that's cost-effective and more eco-friendly? Here's some examples of what's possible. There's rigid paperboard, which is used for luxury packaging. It's sturdy and premium. Then there's corrugated cardboard, which is ideal for shipping boxes. It's strong, lightweight, and protective. And then craft paper. This paper is eco-friendly, biodegradable, and gives a raw, organic aesthetic. Each material serves a different purpose, and the thickness, finish, and structure all impact how the final product will be perceived. Once the material is selected, that's where die cutting comes in. Every fold, Every crease, every cutout has to be engineered for durability and usability. In this step, the paperboard is cut into the desired shape using a special cutout, and the assembly can begin once the customization techniques have been finished. Things like custom inserts, whether it's foam inserts or paperboard inserts, should be considered to keep products safe and secure. The structure must be designed to both protect the product and enhance the unboxing experience. Then comes the printing process, where the true customization begins. The standard for high-quality packaging is CMYK printing, a process that uses 4 ink colors to create virtually any shade, ensuring that branding remains consistent and visually appealing. But printing alone isn't enough. To elevate the design, companies often turn to techniques like hot foil stamping, embossing and debossing, or spot UV coatings to create contrast, texture, and a sense of sophistication. Take hot foil stamping, for example. That metallic sheen you see on luxury packaging? It's not just there for aesthetics. It's a subconscious cue that signals premium quality. Likewise, embossing or debossing adds depth and texture, making a logo or design more tactile, reinforcing brand identity in a way that customers can literally feel. And then there's spot UV coating, which enhances contrast with a glossy finish over select areas. These small details subconsciously influence how customers perceive the product inside. And of course, none of this would matter if sustainability weren't a priority. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious, and brands that fail to adapt risk falling behind. That's why companies are now investing in recycled materials, which reduce waste while maintaining quality, biodegradable coatings as alternatives for compostable packaging, and minimalist designs to reduce unnecessary materials, which cut costs and impact the environment in a more positive way without compromising on design or functionality. So, when you see a well-crafted package, remember, what seems simple on the outside is actually the result of countless decisions, expert craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of both aesthetics and practicality. Now, why does all of this matter? Customization isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating an identity, an experience, and a lasting impression. In today's competitive market, packaging isn't just a box. It's a silent salesman that speaks for your brand before a customer even sees what's inside. Let's break down why customization is the game changer in paper packaging. Your packaging is your first handshake with the customer. It communicates your brand's values, personality, and quality in an instant. A sleek, minimalist design with embossed logos conveys sophistication and premium quality. A bold, colorful, and playful design suggests a fun, energetic brand personality. And a rustic, uncoated craft paper box signals an eco-conscious, organic feel. In a world where 7 out of 10 shoppers make buying decisions based on packaging, customization ensures that your brand stands out instead of blending in. What's the difference between a luxury brand and a generic competitor? Packaging. Let's compare Apple versus generic tech packaging. Apple's packaging is precise, sturdy, and elegantly simple, making every unboxing feel like a premium experience. A generic brand might use thin cardboard, weak printing, and generic inserts, giving off a cheap, forgettable impression. High-end chocolate versus convenience store chocolate. A luxury chocolate box features gold foil stamping, textured paper, and magnetic closures, reinforcing exclusivity, while a budget chocolate bar comes in thin plastic or flimsy cardboard, giving no added emotional connection to the product. The tangible experience of packaging directly impacts how customers perceive quality, value, and desirability. As consumers become more environmentally aware, brands that embrace eco-friendly customization gain a competitive edge. Recyclable and biodegradable materials reduce waste without sacrificing quality. Water-based inks and soy-based printing are an eco-conscious alternative to petroleum-based inks. Minimalist packaging equals less waste, more efficiency, and a cleaner design aesthetic. Brands that adapt to sustainable packaging trends are future-proofing their business while appealing to conscious consumers. Here are a few companies that have mastered the art of custom paper packaging, perfecting everything that we have talked about in the video. 1. Apple. Apple's packaging is clean, sturdy, and carefully designed to create a premium unboxing experience. The crisp white box, smooth paper textures, and subtle embossed logos enhance the feeling of exclusivity, all before you even turn on the device. This level of attention to detail reinforces Apple's reputation as a high-end brand. 2. Glossier. Glossier, a beauty brand known for its millennial-friendly aesthetic, uses soft pink packaging, bold typography, and functional yet elegant paperboard boxes to make each purchase feel personal. Their signature pink bubble mailers and sticker sets turn customers into brand advocates, as many share their unboxing experience on social media. 3. Tiffany & Co. The iconic Tiffany blue box is instantly recognizable. It's not just about the jewelry inside, it's about what the box represents: luxury, status, and timeless elegance. The high-quality paperboard and signature color elevate the product's perceived value, making it a symbol of exclusivity. At Paking Duck, we understand that custom packaging should be both aesthetic and functional. Whether it's hot foil embossing, custom inserts, or eco-friendly materials, we help brands bring their packaging vision to life without the headache. Our streamlined process ensures that businesses can get high-quality, customized paper packaging that enhances their brand image while staying within budget. From concept to production, we take care of material selection, such as finding the right paper thickness and texture for your brand. Printing and finishing, offering CMYK printing, hot foil stamping, embossing, and UV finishes. Sustainability options such as eco-friendly materials and printing to match modern consumer demands. Your packaging is your brand's first impression, so let's make it count. At Paking Duck, we specialize in turning ideas into reality, ensuring your products stand out and leave a lasting impact. Ready to elevate your packaging game? Let's create something that speaks for your brand. Contact us today to get started and watch this video to learn how packaging matters more today than ever before.